Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Urmet Domus Intercom system and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this intercom is not responding, or it's frozen, or it doesn't seem to be connecting, or if you're having issues with the sound, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues, a good step in troubleshooting is to do a hard reset. Now, another reason you might want to do this is if you want to just get a fresh start and set it up new as though you were taking it out of the box. This will restore all of the factory defaults. And so we can go ahead and do this if you're ready. It's pretty easy to do. We're just going to come in, and there are different models of these intercoms, but any of them that have these two buttons, the speaker button and the key button, if we press and hold a long press simultaneously on those two buttons for at least 5 seconds, it will eventually emit a beep indicating that it is resetting to factory default settings.